All right, this is the MKT and the Frisco Texas Special Locomotive E7. 3 of these were built by Overland in 2007. It's a really unique model with a lot of really unique features. One of the prettiest diesels I think ever imported. This has an Economy decoder installed. I'm gonna try to get that in there. And it runs really nice. These Economy decoders, they're really good. And I have a few of them on some of my engines. This was installed very well. Let me start up the engine and I'll shut up. And then I'll show you how it operates with no sound as well. So it's a fairly short startup sequence. You have a headlight, which is a little dim. You have a Mars light, which is function 24. I can remap that if requested. And let's watch it pull away. Okay, and now I'm going to operate it with no sound backwards just to show you all how nice this is. Before I do that, actually, here is the backup light and the operating diaphragm. Set up my camera again. I have it leaning against my signal tower. Okay, this is it operating 10 speed steps. Most of the noise you hear is from the ballast. That's 20 speed steps. Let's do 30 real quick. So it's really quiet. This is totally set up for years to come. Has a really nice addition to your collection or layout. The bell sound has a lot of echo and I'm not sure why. I think it has something to do with the reverb. I'm currently working on getting my DCC computer programmer working. Hopefully when that is working, I can use it. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope this interests you.